Long ago, the sky was always silent. There was no thunder. There was no lightning.
Without fear or warning from the sky, people became careless and dishonest.
The world has lost its balance. Humans have forgotten respect. I must remind them. The sky god struck his drum. That sound became thunder. Sparks flew across the heavens. Those sparks became lightning. We must live honestly and respect nature.
From that day on, whenever people forgot their duties, thunder warns, lightning reveals. Together, they remind the world to live with respect.
Thanks for watching this magical Vietnamese tale. If you loved it, hit like and subscribe to Viet Wonder Stories for more unexpected legends.